Okay. It sounds so scary.
Curious, yes.
Okay. So this is what you get when you log in. So it's basically set up, the categories are basically your pages. So
Mhm.
you have your home page, artwork page, anything concerning artwork is there, CV, press, news, and contact. So we'll start with our homepage. So you can either upload a new homepage image or edit the homepage caption.
Okay.
That's the text under your image. And if I click on upload homepage image, you you want to use JPEGs. And it should be for the homepage image less than 1 MB. And you choose a file. Let's see. Let me find a file here. Maybe one of Jim's toilet papers. Oh, here's one. Okay, like I say, this is not live.
I understand.
Caption here. And then you press submit. Oops. Um, and that was from it had it in its cache, that other image. And then there's something called alternate text. What alternate text is a verbal description of the image, and the purpose is for people who are visually impaired that they have some kind of description. They can somehow relate, get some information about your
Okay.
site. And it's important to do it because there have been disability lawsuits against websites and galleries that don't have alternate text for their images. So you want to write something in there. And I would say like something simple, black and white TP, and then press submit.
What happens to that?
It's in the code. You don't see
Got it. Right. Okay.
I mean, it's hidden. You don't see it anywhere on the site unless you have a screen reader.
Okay.
And a screen reader can be a verbal description of what something is. Um, yeah, you won't, most people, you won't see
No,
it.
you won't see it unless you have that right.
Yeah, yeah. So that's a homepage. Then we go to artwork. So I've divided artwork into the 3 categories of sculpture, drawing, glass, archives, etc. Artwork installations and artwork collaboration. And what happens when you press artwork, sculpture, drawing, glass, archives, etc.? You have a choice of going down here is managing the artwork pages. So you can add another category. Say if you had a category, I'm just making something up here. Say, oh gosh, what's something, not video, I don't want to say video, paintings. Say you started to make paintings. So that would be a new category that you could add. Or if you wanted to edit a category name, instead of calling it paperworks, you call it works on paper, something like that. That would all happen under manage artwork pages. And you probably won't use that much. You probably won't be doing much as far as managing the artwork pages, but you will be doing categories to update. So in this case, let's say we'll do paperworks. Select paperworks, and then you have the choice of adding an image, edit an image caption, delete an image, order images.
If you want to change the order.
Yeah.
Is that what? Okay.
Or upload an image for the artwork page. Now, your artwork page is that page that comes up when you click on artwork.
With the little thumbnails.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think it's a square thumbnail, isn't it, for your site? I forget. Um, It's those images of an example of each one of the categories. So that's where you
I
do
think
that.
it's squares too. I think you're right.
Yeah, yeah. So that's where you do if you want to change that image. So let's do order images. So you click on that, and these are all your art Paperworks images, and say, oh, I want to move this one here. Okay, you do that. You go down to the bottom of the page and press submit, and then okay. So that will your order of your artwork.
I didn't see the okay. Where was the okay?
Oh, let me do it again. I'll do another one here. Submit, and then on the top here, you see save.
See the top. I'm only seeing the bottom.
Oh, you don't see the top?
No, I guess you have to scroll for me to see the top.
I can't seem to scroll that.
Okay.
I wonder if
I trust you then.
yeah, it's a big okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, hopefully
Okay,
that'll come out on the
Okay.
video.
that's fine.
Okay, so let's see. Here we go. What else should we do here? How about add an image in Paperworks? So add an image. It's very similar to homepage. You choose an image. I'm going to choose this one again because it's under 2 megabytes. On your artwork, it can be under 2 megabytes.
Okay,
And here you put caption here, submit, and then another,
got it.
okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's that.
What if you want to delete one?
Delete one. Okay, sure, we'll delete one. Delete. How about the toilet paper?
Okay.
And then you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom to delete it. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. And then if you want to edit a caption, we do this. Oh, never mind. I'll have to fix that. This is locally. Okay, let me fix that later. But it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm glad I caught that. Okay, let's see how CV works. So CV is right here. And this is the window where you add things. You can just type them in. Say, oh, you would probably be doing something like up here, 2023. And I see, oh, it's coming bold. So I click on the B to unbold it.
Yeah.
And name of show, dot. And then you go down here and do submit.
Okay.
But I want to show you how to do a link. Say if this
Yeah.
was connected to a website, there was a URL associated with that. You highlight it and you press that little link up there. Do you see that?
Yep.
Okay, press the link and then you type in the URL,
Okay.
whatever it is. Let's see, let's get a URL here. And then you come down here and press save. So now there's that link to a show. Okay. Press is very
Go
simple.
back to, because I want to know how to get rid of things on the CV because I want to make them smaller. It's smaller.
Oh, okay. CV, you just put your cursor wherever you want it and press delete.
That sounds easy.
Um,
And then submit again. Every time you make a change, submit.
Submit, yeah.
Got
Submit.
it. Okay.
Sometimes submits are at the bottom of the page, but in general, yeah, submit means it goes into the database. Sometimes with this, you might have to play around with the shift where it's too much space.
Yeah.
And if you don't want as much space, press shift return. And that'll be a little, that's a soft
Makes it
return,
smaller. Okay,
and you might have to play around with that.
okay.
If you want to italicize text, you,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, okay. Some of the press is very similar. And on the press, I wrote out the word link.
Okay.
I highlighted it and then put the URL. I thought it was a cleaner look.
Yeah.
Um, and news is very similar. News, you can add an image if you want, or you
Okay.
just add text.
Okay. Does the new news go on the top or on the bottom?
I think new news goes on the top.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay. Good.
yeah,
Okay.
and you can order news if you want
Got
to.
it. Okay. Good. Okay.
Um, yeah, I think that's pretty straightforward. Oh, ordering news is a little different. It has numbers that you
Okay.
do consecutively, or I could call this 99 as long as it's less than 100.
100. Got it.
And then the submit is right under each of the items. And contact, I forget if there's yeah, there's no text right now on your contact
Yeah.
page. Oh, I have to change that too. I'm finding all these little bugs. Oh, good. I'll change that so it says contacts test, not homepage text. So I'll change that. But it's
Yeah.
a little complicated is if you have a PDF
Okay.
for your CV, you
Okay.
have to upload the PDF first and then get the link to the PDF that you will then put into the CV as a link. Does that make sense?
Theoretically, when I upload it, where does it go?
It goes into the database, so it's on your
Okay.
site.
I'll find a way to, I'll see it somewhere that I can then copy a link to it.
Yeah, and then if you want to copy the link, it's right here. So
Got
you upload the PDF here, and then you have to come back to this menu, copy the link. It'll be in red, bold red,
it.
the link.
Okay.
So you copy that, and then you go back to your CV
Okay.
to make it a link. Yeah, it's a little complicated. It's kind of like that though on all those do-it-yourself sites. It's an outside document that you have to somehow connect um, to the website. So I think that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop share. I'm gonna stop